The ocean storms create these high winds that keep pushing the surface of the water. And eventually, all these little waves keep accumulating and they create these big circles of energy. The higher winds are blowing, the bigger the waves are going to be. With our technology, we're able to recreate this circular particle motion energy to create little swells and then sequence them. It works through air. We don't have any equipment inside the water. We use the air and gravity to create energy transfer with a specific timing. That's what allows us to create 250 different waves, different varieties, different shapes.
We want to have the most powerful wave while someone's riding it, but then we want to dissipate it in a very quick manner so that the pool settles very quickly and allows for a clean surface for the next ride. And some of the ways that we do that is create creeks, create berms in the pool to kind of break the wave up. We've been able to do things that we haven't been able to do before. It's kind of pushed our company forward, showing what is capable in a surf pool. A surf playlist, it's kind of like a Spotify playlist where you can pick and choose what waves you want in a session. You can have a beginner wave and then have an advanced wave right after it. Our project in Brazil is one of our first projects where it's part of a big development, basically like a golf course community, but centered around the pool instead of a golf course. So it was the biggest undertaking so far, best technology, and seeing people able to nail down tricks in the pool so quickly. It takes years to get those repetitions in the ocean. I think it's going to take surfing as a sport to a whole new level and get a lot more people involved.